Model, 67-plate Renault TRAFIC LL29 Sport Energy 1.6 DCI Factory 9-seater minibus Euro 6 Ulez no VAT. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 368,305. MOT, the 17th of May 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. This minibus starts and drives brilliantly, maintained to an exceptional standard, drives better than the others with 1/4 of the miles on, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 keys, electric windows, cruise control, air con, parking sensors, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the